Hello there. Welcome. Welcome to Afternoon Tea with Dr. Susan. Hi, I am Dr. Susan McGregor, and I am a scientist. At a touch of spa, I use science to help women just like you look more attractive so you can have the skin you want. You can have the life you want to have. How do I do that? By using science to figure out the right products, the right techniques that your skin needs right now to help resolve the skincare problems you're experiencing so it can improve. It's not a preset skincare solutions formula. No. I'm not wedded to any particular range of products, so I am free to not believe the marketing and free to not be swayed by anything else other than the ingredients that your skin needs to improve. Today, I'd like to tell you a story. It's a story about Linda. Don't worry, Linda knows what I'll be saying about her today. I've changed her name to protect the innocent. Linda was always very sporty. She was a really confident girl, you know the type. She attracted guys without even trying. When she was in her 20s, she met this gorgeous guy at university, and they got married a year later after they left. A couple of years on, and Linda landed this really high-flying job. She loved it. She loved her life, loved the buzz. Her skincare was quick and easy. Some micellar water to remove the office makeup, then a cleansing foam, followed by a toner. Slap some moisturizer on, and she was done. That was it. Her skin was really forgiving. It didn't seem to mind too much if she forgot to remove her makeup at night. Maybe she'd had, too much of a hectic night out the night before. It didn't really matter. It just bounced right back. Life carried on. In her 30s now, and Linda hasn't changed her skincare routine particularly, except for her moisturizer. Her skin's starting to feel a little bit dry, and so she changed her moisturizer to something that said that it would hydrate her skin. She doesn't really think too much about her skincare. Time moves on, and Linda's now 41. She's got two gorgeous kids, a really active toddler, and the most cutest, gorgeous baby. The baby's about 8 months old. He is beautiful. Busy doesn't begin to describe her life, even though she pours work to take care of her family and her home. Sometimes, though, she worries a bit. She's always so tired, and her relationship with hubby isn't what it used to be. She just doesn't feel very attractive anymore. She misses the office buzz. She doesn't feel like herself anymore. She's lost a lot of that self-confidence she used to have. When she goes out, though, her friends all tell her that she looks amazing. But she thinks inside, well, maybe they don't notice that she's wearing a lot more makeup than she used to. But she knows that she always has to wear makeup, even if she's just at home. So last year, she went online, and she found to her horror that a dermatologist said that she should have started using anti-aging products in her 20s. And that is all about choosing the right products for her skin type. Well, I do agree about choosing the right products. That's really important. Anyway, back to Linda. Ages ago, somebody had told her that she had combination skin. So 31, and she decided, oh my gosh, I have to do something about this right now. So she tried a bucket full of different products. Different cleansers, toners, moisturizers, ones that had rave reviews, ones that her friends recommended, ones she just saw online and bought, and even one that her mom was using. She's had a ton of facials, and even though they were really relaxing, and God knows she needs a bit of relaxation, they didn't really make that much of a difference to her skin. It all cost a fortune, and hubby has definitely not been happy. But then, he's hardly ever at home. So, in a bit of a huff, she decided, okay, fine, I'll return to the skincare routine I was using before. Didn't do me any harm then, so why not? So back to the micellar water, the toner, the foaming cleanser, the moisturizer. But still, when she looks in the mirror, she can see the lines deepening around her eyes. She can see the dark circles under them. She sees the wrinkle lines and new ones emerging around her mouth. Her skin feels really dry. It looks dull. It looks a bit lifeless. She's got pimples, and hubby says they're disgusting. She knows she has to do something about it. And now he tells her that she's got to go with him to a big business do in a few days. Imagine that. Just a few days' notice. She can't help it. She panics. She goes totally into panic mode. She goes online again and she finds a skin tightening treatment that the website promises will work in combination with a bit of Botox. It seems that everybody's doing it. She goes to forums and they're all talking about it. They're all raving about it. But she's reluctant. Deep inside, she knows it sounds so invasive, not really her type of thing. And there may be side effects. She's worried. How is she going to go to this big business do if she's got a rash on her face? That's just not going to work. Makeup isn't going to cover that. But still, she has to do something. But just before she books this treatment, someone tells her about a touch of spa, about my treatments, that I guarantee results. So she heads on over, more than a little cautious. She's such a lovely lady. When I met her that first time, we talked about why a good approach would be to figure out what's happening with her skin, to create a treatment that will work with her skin rather than against it, a treatment that will give her skin what it needs to improve right now while not prejudicing the condition of her skin in the future. We talked also about her products. She didn't realize that the micellar water she was using contained alcohols and that alcohol had been drying out her skin all these years. She didn't know that the foaming cleanser also contained alcohol, and not only that, it contained a chemical exfoliant that had been exfoliating her skin morning and evening. And together with the toner that also contained alcohol, the new emerging skin that was there just didn't have a chance. It died before it could have a real chance at life. And, the moisturizers it was just too much for the moisturizer to deal with. We talked about the vicious cycle of dry, damaged skin and the sun damage she'd experienced when she was young, being so sporty, putting on sun cream sometimes but not reapplying it, never wearing a sun hat. We talked about how together, taken all together in a package, it added up to premature aging, the early appearance of lines, deep lines, and the dry skin. As she looked at me, I thought her eyes looked so hopeful. She asked me, could I treat her skincare problems? Could I make it all go away? Could I give her a real skincare solution? I said I'd try. After her treatment, she was walking on air. She was so happy, so really, really happy. She hadn't expected to see so much improvement, not after one treatment. She was thrilled. The office event was just a few days ago, and she was off shopping for new clothes. It was lovely to see her smiling. She decided, though, not to change her products, even though I explained to her that if she didn't, the benefits that she was seeing would soon disappear, would disappear fairly quickly. She called me up the following week. Hubby's work do had gone really well, and she'd had lots and lots of compliments about her skin. But now the improvements had all but gone. Her skin was back to being dry, and her lines were coming back. Please, could I recommend products and a new skincare routine? Sure, I could. Very quickly, Linda's skin improved again. Now she's a regular client. She's chosen to invest in herself, to take the time to take care of herself. Her Her skin is steadily improving. She tells me that hubby has become super attentive. She's even managed to persuade him to work from home 1 day a week so he can help to take care of the kids, so she can have some me time. It's lovely to see Linda's self-confidence re-emerge. If you've enjoyed this video, please do get in touch through my website. Let me know about your skincare problems. What are you experiencing? What's worrying you? Perhaps I can try to help you. Till next time, stay safe and stay well. Bye now.